The year was 1953. Nilambur Ayisha, 18, was on stage delivering a dialogue when a bullet whizzed through the air. It missed me and hit the stage curtains because I moved while speaking, recalls Ayisha, now 87, sitting at her home in the town of Nilambur, which became part of her stage name, in the southern Indian state of Kerala. The shooter's attempt was just one among several, by religious conservatives who believed a Muslim woman shouldn't act, to force Ayisha off the stage. But she went on acting, braving sticks, stones and slaps until, she says, we managed to change people's attitudes. Last month, Ayisha was in the front row when a new generation of actors in Kerala presented a reimagined version of the play she was doing when she was fired at. Ijju Nallorum and Sanakannaku, you try to become a good human being.